Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. We out here for episode 11 of my podcast. Topic for today discussion is should you trade during a bank holiday? Should you trade during a bank holiday? That's a question people want to know. And it's very simple. Nope. Some people do, but it's highly not recommended due to the market volatility in bank holidays because the banks move the markets. So usually the banks are the reason why the price has great moves to the upside or great moves to the downside, where there's a lot of movements where you could make a lot of money or lose a lot of money, depending if you know how to trade. But when the banks are in the market, they basically control the price and create a lot of movements that make a lot of investors happy. So during the bank holiday, the banks are not active since they're closed, and us retail traders or investors who trade, the price doesn't move that much in the market. So you're gonna see that you could be trapped in a trade where, let's say, you get in buy position, but then the trade barely moves up. It may take like an hour for it to make some movement, that is decent, or it just starts to consolidate and come back down, or keep ranging up and down, up and down. So you realize, like, yo, this is a waste of time, and you don't want to be stuck in a trade all day that's going nowhere. So that's why it's not best to trade during times like holidays, because usually banks are closed and there's nothing crazy happening. You could end up losing more money in these situations because you might get in a trade and then you walk away and then it just goes the opposite way and the market just goes away from your technical analysis if that's what you use as your method of trading. So you end up losing money during these type of market conditions. Usually people take the time and take a break. So this is what you should do. Like I said, take a break. What people do, take a break, enjoy life, enjoy the holiday, do something productive, take a break from the charts because you don't want to overtrade, and especially you don't want to waste your time analyzing the chart that's barely moving, that's unwanted stress, and it's not needed. But what you can do is take a break, or if you don't want to take a break, you can analyze the market. But when you analyze the market, look at the higher picture. Maybe plan for the next day or the next week. Um, if you trade higher time frames, you should look for opportunity to swing trade to see if this is a good time to get in for like a buy for a couple of days or a sell for a couple of days, and think about what entries, targets you're trying to look for to get in on the trade to see the overall direction. So I guess moments like this, you should take time to look at the bigger picture of the market, decide if you want to potentially get into a swing opportunity. But at the current market conditions, probably not ideal because your trade probably won't go anywhere for real. Or you could take time to like understand cryptocurrencies, or take time to research certain pairs that you focus on and trying to get more of an understanding of your strategy during this time period. So I always use time wisely and work on my skill set in terms of critiquing my strategy, or take a break from trading, or just overall look at higher time frames and look for potential swing opportunities, but don't rush the trade. Don't just trade just to trade. Trade with a plan. If you don't plan, then you plan to fail. So understand your risks, and understand your risk will make you better than like 90% of traders who don't understand that concept. So if you understand your risks and work on your entries, you should be profitable. And all I gotta say is you can follow me on social media. You can like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and you already know we is out here.